Moin, ich bin Dan, der Prof von Luxembourgish with Anne. Now, in this short but useful lesson, you will learn the Luxembourgish numbers from 0 to 20. Now, take my learning tip here. I recommend that you learn these 20 numbers by heart so that you recall them automatically. Ready? Prêt? Dann los. Let's start with 0. Now listen and repeat after me. 0. Good. And 2, 3, 4. Now pronounce it 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this is pronounced 8. 9, 10. Now let's repeat them again. Do you remember how to say 0? Yes, this is 0. So 0 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's move on with 11. Now this is long, the E. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now listen to this and repeat again. 16. Okay? 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's repeat. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now let's repeat all of them from 0 bis 20. Prêt? Gut. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And now, Übung, exercise. Now you will see here some numbers displayed. Try to find out how to pronounce them. Are you ready? Los. So how would you pronounce this one? Yes, this is 8. And now the next one. Hopefully you've got 18. Okay? 18. Next one. Yes, this is 6. And the next one. Hopefully you've got 16. Okay? So 16. And the last one? Yes, this is pronounced 12. 12. Now, your homework is, of course, to listen again to this video and to practice. Now, this lesson is part of my pronunciation online course. Now, if you want to practice your Luxembourgish pronunciation, if you have difficulties to speak clearly and with confidence, then check out my Luxembourgish pronunciation course. I have put a link in the notes below this video. Merci fürs Zugucken. Thank you for watching. Adi!